Updated, August 27, 2021, Cassava Sciences Stock Decline. The stock price of Cassava Sciences, NASDAQ, SAVA, a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on treatment for Alzheimer's disease, has seen a large 31% decline in a single trading session on August 25. SAVA stock has had a volatile ride over the last year or so, and despite yesterday's fall, the stock is actually up a massive 2,435% over the last 12-month period. Much of this rise can be attributed to its investigational drug, Simufilam, for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease moving to late-stage clinical trials. The investor interest in SAVA stock rose after the U.S. FDA approved Biogen's BIIB Aduhelm for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease a few months back. However, recently the U.S. FDA has received a citizen petition to halt the clinical studies for Simufilam, stating that Cassava is relying on a single academic laboratory for positive data, alleging that some of its results show signs of data manipulation. 1. While the company has denied these allegations, this development surely didn't sit well with the investors. But will SAVA stock continue its downward trajectory over the coming weeks, or is a recovery in the stock imminent? According to the Trefis Machine Learning Engine, which identifies trends in the company's stock price using 10 years of historical data, returns for SAVA stock average around -0.4% in the next 1 month. 21 trading days, period, after experiencing a 24% drop over the previous week, 5 trading days, implying that the stock is best avoided for now. Also, the company doesn't have any marketable product yet. For Cassava, the entire growth story primarily revolves around the success of Simufilam. Now, the allegations made against the company are concerning, and the stock is already trading at over 1,000% gains year to date, so it may be best to wait for this story to play out before considering buying this dip. How would the returns fare if you are interested in holding SAVA stock for a shorter or a longer time period? You can test the answer and many other combinations on the Trefis Machine Learning Engine to test Cassava Sciences stock chances of a rise after a fall. You can test the chance of recovery over different time intervals of a quarter, month, or even just 1 day. Some fun scenarios, FAQs, and making sense of Cassava Sciences stock movements. Question 1. Is the average return for Cassava Sciences stock higher after a drop? Answer. Consider 2 situations. Case 1. Cassava Sciences stock drops by -5% or more in a week. Case 2. Cassava Sciences stock rises by 5% or more in a week. Is the average return for Cassava Sciences stock higher over the subsequent month after Case 1 or Case 2? SAVA stock fares better after Case 2, with an average return of 4.7% over the next month, 21 trading days, under Case 1, where the stock has just suffered a 5% loss over the previous week, versus an average return of 18.3% for Case 2.